Good afternoon, learners, grade 11s. Sure, you're all very busy studying for your upcoming exams. This is just some notes for you guys, some quick maths. Um, this is a question one from one of the grade 12 exams last year. So every question one that you deal with from this point onward will most likely look like this question one, paper one. So let's do some of these quickly together and just make some notes. So the first one is a very basic trinomial. We are solving for x. So with our basic trinomial there, we have to make two sets of brackets. Right, so two sets of brackets. We can go with x and x into both brackets because we know this is a basic trinomial, which is 1 in front of our x squared term. Then next thing we have to look at is the constant, which in this case is our negative 12. So we'll worry about the sign later. For now, we think about the 12. The 12, we will write down the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And the next thing we look at is which of these pairings can produce a positive one when you add or subtract. And we know that it's going to be the 3 and the 4 that produces a positive 1. Why are we looking for a positive 1? Our middle term over there, our b value, our middle term over there is a positive 1. That's what we're trying to create with our factors that we've chosen, our pairings. So in our brackets, we will have a 3 and a 4. Great. Next thing we need to figure out is our signs. Because the sign on our constant, we said it was a negative 12. And we should know that if that constant is a negative, the signs in our brackets are going to be different, right? When it's a positive, we should know that the signs in our brackets are going to be the same. In this case, it's a negative. So we'll have different. So there's going to be a plus, there's going to be a minus somewhere. We look at our middle term again, and in this case, it is a positive 1. So if we have the 3 and the 4, how will we produce a positive 1? It's going to have to be plus 4 minus 3. And if you have plus 4 minus 3, that gives you your positive 1, which is your middle term. Remember, this is equated to 0. So we'll have to find out two solutions. If we take this first bracket over here, that will tell us that x minus 3 is equal to 0. The second bracket that we have, x plus 4, that one is also equal to 0, right? Next, what we would need to do is to solve these two equations. So we'll say that that thing goes over. We understand that we're adding 3 on both sides. So this is x is equal to positive 3. Similarly, on the other side, we are subtracting 4 on both sides. So that is x equals to negative 4. And those are our two solutions.